Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Amazon Associates dashboard and launching the tax information interview right away. Enter your legal name and exact tax classification so Amazon can match your identity. This prevents delays when payments start. Provide your SSN or EIN carefully. One wrong digit forces corrections later. Once done, add your bank routing and account numbers for direct deposit. Make sure the address you enter matches IRS records, because mismatches trigger verification steps that pause earnings. Next, you complete the form-specific fields. Choose individual versus corporation and follow the prompts for W9 U.S. or W8 Ben non-U.S. Enter exact names, business names if any, and the appropriate taxpayer ID numbers. Carefully read withholding instructions. If you qualify for a tax treaty rate, declare it and supply the required country and article. Sign electronically where prompted, and double-check line entries, because Amazon performs automated validation that can reject minor mismatches. To finish, review the summary page and submit. Record the confirmation ID shown so you can trace the submission. Once submitted, Amazon validates the data. Expect either immediate acceptance or a request for correction. If rejected, correct only the flagged fields and resubmit promptly. Repeated errors can delay payments. If you still see issues, contact Amazon Associates Support and provide your confirmation ID. This speeds troubleshooting and clarifies whether the hold is on tax verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.